Hey y'all, so we're back with another wig revamp. So today I'm just gonna be styling my wig with y'all. I didn't include the part of me gluing the frontal down, adding all the layers and all that extra stuff because I just felt like it was unnecessary and I wanted to jump right into the styling because I've been holding on to this video for a long time. I wanted to upload this as a reel, but it was just way too long for that and I didn't want to cut nothing out. So this is an old wig that I found in my wig bin. I went ahead and dyed it. I changed the color on it and dyed it. The frontal was kind of messed up, so that's why we're going to do the style that we're doing because as you can see, the frontal is just cut really weird. So just watch, stay tuned. The styling comes out really cute, and I just wanted to drop this video for Valentine's Day. Let's start the month off right. Never knew, no, I never knew that you'd be a freak and a friend. We also have a Valentine special going right now, so you can grab any custom wig that is over $300 for $50 off, or if you reach over $400, you get $75 off. So that's all custom wigs, my virgin blonde, and the U-part wigs. You can go ahead and grab those. And we also have a Valentine's wig collection dropping Friday, February 2nd at 6 p.m. So tune in. When we lock lips, I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencil too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you.
Watching this clip over, this is like a prime example as to why I prefer to style my wigs on the mannequin head and not on my head, because it's just too much extra work and the visuals, it just be off. But I made it do what it do, and this look came out so cute and I really love the outcome.
A little time for yourself, still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong, barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me the tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids, and I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was, but never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug, and hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love.